All right, how's everybody doing out there? All right, today I'm going to walk through an app called Photobabble. You can find it. It's www.photobabble.com. Really easy website to navigate through. I'm kind of like a rock and a hammer kind of person, and I really found it's incredibly easy to navigate and use. One of the bigger features I really enjoyed with this site, it was free. A lot of sites will tell you, oh, it's free, but if you just add on $2.99, you get this upgraded version and this and that. This is completely free, very user friendly. A lot of applications this can utilize for not just education. It can be utilized in ministry work, can be utilized for a lot of personal things as well. It's kind of like it's a upgraded screen or a picture screen grab, I guess. Where you just have to sit there if you want to make a DVD of pictures for somebody's funeral to play at a memorial. You have to like run it through your computer and then download it on a disc and do all those other kinds of things just to be able to get to that point. With this, you don't have to. Like I said, I found it very easy and user friendly, especially for folks like me that aren't necessarily the most technologically savvy per se. Um, for teaching, I can definitely see utilizing this. Uh, you know, certain classes like history. Um, if we take kids, I know right now our high school, the kids are about to take a trip to Europe. Um, as they go across Europe, I can see going through whether it be Italy and Rome and Greece, and taking pictures of the different archaeological sites that you're going to, and we'll share what we can do with that here in a second. So I was going to kind of make an example. So I'm just going to start create a new, create, and there we go. So what's kind of nice with this is you can pull up pictures from either your computer. All right, select from my computer. So this is one thing you'd have to do. So if there's images on the web on the internet you'd want to go ahead and get on there and download them to your laptop or your tablet, whatever you're using. But for me, I'm just going to show you kind of an example of. I'll just go kind of the story of my wife and I, right, per se. So if I was going to tell our story, so here we are when we first met. That was our first year we were dating. I want to add maybe a picture from a year later when we got married. All right, let me add. Let's see here. Throw the day I got ordained. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot the picture about the day I graduated, ministry, got my master's in religion. Now, yeah, I'm like, oh, well, if I were to put this in a slideshow, it's out of order, really simple. You can just take it and drag it and put the pictures in whatever order you need them in. Now, what's kind of nice about this, you can pick on each individual, and right over here you get the record button. So I'm gonna pick on this picture, and record. This is when we met. First met and got together, 2009. I was about half the size I was. All right, we start recording down here. So, here we were, 2009, young happy couple, young and in love. Well, young-ish. Here we were, not quite knowing what the Lord had in store for us. I'm gonna click on this next picture. All right, well, let me review my recording. Okay. There you go. So I'm happy with that. So let's go on to the next picture. Probably going a little bit slow because of trying to operate these different programs at the same time here. Okay. All right. So it did not do this when I was doing it live, so I'm assuming this is definitely happening because of operating the two. So, anyways, you kind of get the point. You can go through every picture. You can state what it's about. Now, again, if I was traveling across Europe or if I was putting a presentation about the march of Grant's march leaving Illinois, going all the way to, like, say, Chattanooga, I could drag images from the internet and put them in here, and then give an explanation. So I could use this, like, if I'm going to be out for a day, and a substitute can use it for a lesson. You could remote learning. There's a lot of different applications for this. Like I said, I could see myself utilizing this in ministry, not just school. I could see myself using it for a lot of personal things too. I was rather impressed with the site. Like I said, I found it very easy to work with. And then you just come up here and share it. I'm gonna make it public, and I can just share it wherever I want to share it. Like I said, this is one of those sites again. I really enjoy simple. I enjoy sites that are simple. If I have to go around and click 1,000 buttons, way too complicated. I have the attention span of a flea. So for folks that are really short tempered with technology, I think this is a perfect website to utilize. All right, have a good day.